Good morning. I thought I'd pop on and do a short video about a couple of things that might help you in terms of some admin, assuming that you need that kind of help. So hopefully this will be quite useful to find out about. So if you have listened to Steve's live from Friday, which was brilliant, and if you haven't, please do go and have a listen. He gave an idea about a Facebook competition, and I wanted to show you a couple of little admin tricks that might help you carry that out, or could be valuable for you anyway. So the first one is with respect to Google Drive or Google Docs. So that is something, it's obviously free, Gmail is free, and it gives you the functionality of having Word documents and Excel documents in a similar way. So we're going to have a look at going there two ways. So one way, you can just go to the Google homepage and find the 9 dots here. You have to make sure that you're logged in as yourself. Now in this case, this is my other half's PC, so he's logged in. When I do it, just because I've got lots of different Gmail accounts or not lots of different, but a few different Gmail accounts for clients and things, I'm going to go in via my Crown VA Services Gmail because I've already got documents saved there and different things. But so here we are in the Gmail normal view, and you've got your Google Apps there. So if you just click on that, you've got a few different options here, which is a good thing to go through and explore. The calendar's really great. I've used that, and you can sync that calendar to your phone as well, which is really handy. But we're going to look at Google Drive. So in there you've got I've got folders for my clients and documents that I use over and over again. And on this occasion, we're going to try and start a new Google spreadsheet to keep tabs on your competition when you decide to carry that out, if you decide to do that. So we're going to go up to New, and we're going to select Google Sheets. So Google Documents is like a Word document, Sheets is like an Excel document. One thing slightly different than Windows, although the updated Windows does save as it goes along, but this one you don't click any save button anywhere, it just saves as it goes along. So we're going to call this competition spreadsheet so we can find it again later. Press return, starts to save it, starts to treat it like a new document. So we're going to set up a little table here. So we're going to say outlet or shop name, and then we're going to say contact for the person you spoke to at the shop, email, telephone, competition winner, and their contact info. So it's very similar to using Excel. Everything's kind of the same in terms of manipulating the document and things. It's nice, keeps you nice and organised, especially if you are doing a few different days. So you've got your Sarah's coffee shop, that'd be me, info, blah 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 blah, telephone number, Joe Blogs, and their telephone number. Okay, do actually put real telephone numbers in there though, don't do silly numbers like what I just did. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to share with you. You can share it with somebody, that anything you create on Google Docs, just by clicking up here, and it gives you a little link that you can paste into an email or on a text message or a messenger. So that's really cool. That allows you to share documents with somebody that you're working with or all that. So that was that one. So then when you do go back into your main page, do a refresh, and then you'll see here that was the document that you were working on. You just double click to open it again. The other thing I wanted to show you was Canva. So if you go to say Google or to whichever your search engine is and type in Canva, it will bring you here. You'll have to log in if it's your first time. Don't sign up for Pro, you don't really need it unless you start getting really whizzy with designs and you want it to animate and things like that. But just for basic designs, the free version is fine. So once you've signed in, you come up here, create design. It gives you some templates to work with. So it gives you the template that's the correct size for a Facebook post or an Instagram post. We'll start with that, shall we? So you've got your brand new page. I'm going to come down this side. This is where you add all the elements to your lovely bit of blank post. So go to background. I'm going to put a nice colour there, so you can choose one of their ideas or just a block colour. We'll have that for now, just for the sake of argument. We're going to keep it simple this time, but there are things like photos or shapes that you can put in, which is cool. But I'm going to just do a basic colour and text one. So you click into the text section, add your heading. So we've got Facebook competition. Once you click out of it, you can manipulate it up. Now I will say this, I am not a Canva expert. I've been using it very briefly, but it is good. It is for somebody who doesn't have any training on design software, which I don't. I just do little bits and pieces for myself, so please don't take my word for everything. But I wanted to show you how simple it was to get started. So I've just gone into the subheading bit for a little bit to go underneath. Now we're going to just move it down with the mouse. We can change the size of that font if we want to up here. Alright, ever play about, you know, change the font type and all that sort of thing. It's all here for you. There's even some little pre-written things. But if you just wanted an eye-catching picture to add to a post, you know, you can do it in Canva. Then to save it, we go here. Don't want to buy Pro. And then you can share it to Facebook or emails or whatever. So there's my other email address. But also later on when you come back to it on the home page, it's going to be in all your designs here. So that'll pop up in a minute once the old thing is refreshed. There we go. So you can copy that to Facebook on your laptop or send it to yourself or any of those things, just on your phone if you're doing things on your phone for Facebook and Instagram. It's pretty simple. But if you have any questions or concerns or worries about that sort of thing or about starting to use that, I'd be happy to help. So please do drop me a message, private message. Okay, so I hope those couple of bits were helpful and give you a bit of confidence to have a little go at doing some of those types of things for your marketing. Have a great Sunday.